Hi guys, my name's Holly. Welcome to my channel. If you're interested in learning how to take off gel nails, or at least interested in how I take off my gel nails, just keep watching. I'll show you how to do it step by step. It's really easy, and if you do it correctly, your nails don't get like that damaged. So anyways, just keep watching to learn how to remove your Gel-X nails. So this is how my nails look after about 4 weeks of having the nails. You can see that they still look pretty good, still pretty shiny. They're growing out though, and I'm about ready to take these guys off. So let's go through that process together. First, we're gonna grab some nail clippers and we're gonna clip off the tips of our nails. And when you do this, you wanna be careful not to cut your natural nail. The nail tips are much stronger than your natural nails, so if you cut through your natural nail and the nail tip at the same time, it can cause your natural nail to break, and we don't want that. So just cut the nail tips, being careful to avoid your natural nail. Once you've done that, we're going to grab a nail drill and a coarse sanding band or some other coarse nail drill bit, and we're going to carefully file off our nail tips. And when we do this, we're going to file them down so that we're still leaving a thin layer of gel on our natural nails. You don't want to file all the way down to your actual nail. That can be damaging, and we don't want to do anything that's going to be damaging on our nails. So just be careful. Take your time. You can tip your nail up and look at the tip of your nail to sort of see how much gel is left. And yeah, that's about it. Another helpful tip would be to avoid going over the same spot a bunch of different times. If you go over the same spot again and again, it can cause a heat spike, which can be kind of uncomfortable. So just go over different parts of your nail. That kind of just helps to keep the friction down off of any given surface. Keeps the heat down. Yeah. And once you're done with that, your nails should look like this. You can see on my nails that there is a thin layer of gel left behind. We're going to be soaking that off in the next step. All right, so here's where we're soaking off our nails. So you're going to take some cotton balls and some 100% acetone, and you're going to soak the cotton balls in the acetone. Make sure to get a good amount of acetone in your cotton balls. You want enough so that your nails are actually soaking in them. And then just place that on each of your fingers, add a little nail clip on the end to keep the cotton ball on, or if you don't have these little nail clips, you can also use tinfoil. That works just as well. Just make sure to cut out or rip up your tinfoil ahead of time so that you're not like struggling. This is kind of a struggle. It's hard to like do this, especially once you've done your first hand, but you can do it, I promise. All right, and then you're gonna soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Just let them sit. Give those puppies a drink. All right, now we're gonna gently remove our gel nails using a cuticle pusher. So just be careful when you do this, take your time. If there's any gel that doesn't come off super easily, just leave it. Once you've gone over all of your nails, you can soak them again. So you'll just put the cotton balls back on your nails, soak them for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then do the same process again where you use the cuticle pusher to scrape the gel off. It should get easier and easier every time. I usually only take like 2 rounds of soaking to get everything off. Yeah, so just be careful. If you push too hard, you can end up peeling off layers of your natural nail, and we don't want that. And when you're done, your nails will look like this. Next, we're going to take a buffing block, something that's not too coarse, and we're just going to buff our nails to get rid of any excess gel that might be on the surface. Now, if you want to, you can go in again with your nail clippers and now clip down your natural nail. You don't have to do this. If you want to keep your natural nails at the full length, that's fine. I'm just doing it here. Then you can take a nail file. I'm just using a glass file and evening out the edges, just making everything round and smooth again. Once you're done filing, you're gonna wash your hands and scrub your nails so that they're nice and squeaky clean. And then this is optional, but you can take any sort of oil. I'm using this Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm just adding a little drop to my cuticles and my nail beds. And then I'm just gonna rub it all in so that everything's nice and moisturized, because the acetone that we used is pretty drying on your skin. And with that, you are done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. I'll see you guys later.